Max Keiser, Wall Street veteran and co-host of financial TV program, The Keiser Report, is anticipating Bitcoin's bull run to 28,000. He said that the government's relentless money printing is the primary cause. He didn't really get specific on a time frame, but he said Bitcoin will first rally towards 28,000 before we see a pullback, and then it'll hit to 6 digits. And for those of you who don't know, Bitcoin has already broken 20,000 in the past. Bitcoin soared to 11,300 on July 28th, its highest level since August of 2019. It was probably triggered by the US government's announcement of another round of stimulus spending, a $1 trillion package. Keiser said that Bitcoin's rise is partly also due to the increasing demand of gold and silver. As more and more are looking to protect their investment against inflation, dollar collapse, and economic crash, people are starting to hoard gold and silver. Since the world has a very small amount of silver and gold, they will most likely turn to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like gold, also has a very small amount of supply, and so that helps with the increase in price. Regarding the relative accessibility of Bitcoin over gold, Keiser tweeted, "I've been saying for over a year that gold and silver will be difficult to source, and the market will shift to Bitcoin as hard money substitutes, and those who never thought of buying BTC or Bitcoin will be forced to." Well, Keiser is right. More and more are turning to silver and gold, but Noble Gold has enough for you if you want to protect your investment. But we suggest doing both, metals and crypto. Getting into Bitcoin along with securing metals will not just secure investment, it will also be a very profitable venture. Have you thought about putting cryptocurrency like Bitcoin into your IRA, but you don't really know anything about it? Well, we have a free guide that explains everything. So click the link below so you can learn how you can put one of these amazing cryptocurrencies in your IRA.